Hello thinkers of the world, welcome to our channel where we dive into the complexities of human experiences. Today, we are going to explore a topic that affects many lives, bullying in the digital age. We will discover how modern technology has transformed this age-old problem and the profound impact it has on individuals. If you find our content valuable, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to provide insightful and thought-provoking content. Now, let's begin our journey to understand bullying in the digital age. We live in a more connected world than ever before. Technology has changed how we talk to each other and interact. This hyper-connection has brought amazing benefits, helping create communities and global relationships. However, like all powerful tools, it also has a dark side. The Internet, a place of endless possibilities, has become a breeding ground for a widespread and sneaky form of bullying. Bullying has always been a painful reality for many. It thrives on power imbalances, taking advantage of vulnerabilities and insecurities. However, in the digital age, this dynamic has been amplified. The anonymity of the Internet can embolden aggressors, removing the barriers of responsibility and consequences. The digital landscape has become a stage for cruelty, where hurtful words and images can be spread with a click. The permanence of online content makes it hard for victims to escape the torment. What was once confined to schoolyards and hallways now follows them everywhere, invading their homes and lives. This is the complex reality we must face. To understand bullying in the digital age, we must recognize the profound ways technology has changed the experience. Only then can we begin to dismantle its power and create spaces of healing and hope. Bullying in its traditional form often involves physical or verbal abuse, threats, and social exclusion. While these forms still exist, the digital age has given way to new and sneaky methods of torment. Cyberbullying, a particularly widespread form, encompasses a range of behaviors that use technology to inflict harm. This can include harassment, sending hurtful or threatening messages, often repeatedly. Cyberstalking, relentlessly following, messaging, or tracking someone online. Denigration, spreading rumors or lies about someone online to damage their reputation. Impersonation, creating fake profiles to humiliate or harass someone. Outing and trickery, sharing someone's private information online without their consent. Exclusion, intentionally leaving someone out of online groups or activities. The insidious nature of cyberbullying lies in its ability to reach a wide audience with incredible speed. A single post, shared and reshared, can have devastating consequences on the victim's reputation, relationships, and sense of self. The public nature of online platforms amplifies the humiliation and shame, making it difficult to escape the constant barrage of negativity. Recognizing these new forms of bullying is crucial. We must educate ourselves and our children about the signs of digital abuse. We must create a culture of awareness and responsibility, where these behaviors are not tolerated, but challenged and actively addressed. Bullying, in all its forms, is an attack on the human spirit. It undermines our sense of self-worth, leaving us feeling vulnerable, alone, and unworthy. The impact on self-esteem can be deep and long-lasting, often shaping how we see ourselves and the world around us. When we are repeatedly told that we are not good enough, that we are not worthy of love or belonging, those messages take root. They are internalized, shaping our beliefs about ourselves. We may start to believe the lies, doubting our abilities, our intelligence, and even our right to exist in certain spaces. Bullying creates a deep sense of shame. We may feel flawed, different, or unworthy of connection. This shame can lead to self-isolation and withdrawal, perpetuating a cycle of negativity and self-doubt. The emotional cost can manifest as anxiety, depression, difficulty concentrating, and in extreme cases, even suicidal thoughts. It is essential to remember that these feelings are not a sign of weakness. They are a normal and understandable response to an incredibly painful experience. Healing is possible, but it requires us to acknowledge the depth of the wounds and offer ourselves the compassion and support needed to recover. While the emotional and psychological impact of bullying is well documented, its effects on physical health are often overlooked. The mind and body are intricately connected. What affects one inevitably affects the other. The chronic stress caused by bullying can manifest in a variety of physical symptoms, highlighting the profound ways trauma can affect our overall well-being. Victims of bullying can experience sleep disorders, difficulty falling asleep, nightmares, or frequent waking, digestive problems, stomach aches, nausea, changes in appetite, headaches and migraines, tension headaches or more severe migraines, weakened immune system, increased susceptibility to colds, flu, and other illnesses, fatigue and low energy levels, constantly feeling tired and drained, muscle tension and pain, carrying stress in the body, leading to aches and stiffness. These physical symptoms can further exacerbate feelings of anxiety and depression, creating a vicious cycle of negativity and poor health. Recognizing the interconnectedness of our mental and physical well-being is crucial to addressing the full spectrum of bullying's impact. By exploring the many faces of bullying, we see that this issue demands our attention and action. The thinker bids farewell, thanking everyone for their presence and inviting them to subscribe to strengthen the channel and reach more people. Then he says goodbye with a "See you next time, friends." Bullying is not just a personal problem, it's everyone's problem. By raising awareness, supporting victims, and promoting kindness, we can make a change. Let's build a community where everyone feels safe, valued, and heard. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and share it. Your support helps us reach more people and spread this important message. See you next time, friends.